Today we are going to learn about LAN wire crimping or types of Ethernet cable. This is the LAN cable. It has 8 wire in it. This 8 wire can be arranged in two color code. First one is T568A and another is T568B. And T568A color code is green white, green, orange white, blue, blue white, orange, brown white and brown. And T568B color code is orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white and brown. Now let's learn how to crimp the LAN wire. First one is known as straight through cable. I have already mentioned that there are two color codes. First one is T568A and another is T568B. If both end of the LAN wire uses the same color code, then it is known as straight through. What I mean is, in this if I use T568A and on this also I have used T568A, then it is known as straight through. In the same way, in this I have used the color code T568B and in this I have used the color code T568B, then it is known as straight through. There are two types of straight through cable, but most commonly used is this one, that is T568B. Then uses of straight through cable. It is used to connect different devices. What I mean is PC and switch. These are two different devices, so we are going to use straight through. In the same way, switch and router, they are different. We are going to use straight through cables. Now the another crimping color code is crossover cable. In this we use both the color code, that is T568A on one side and T568B on other side. This is known as crossover cable. Uses of crossover cable. It is used to connect same devices. What I mean is PC and PC, this is same, so we are going to use crossover. In the same way, switch and switch, they are same, we are going to use crossover. Router and router, they are same device, so we are going to use the crossover cable. But there is some exception, that is hub and switch. Physically, hub and switch are different device, different looks. We may think it is as different devices, but the function is same. So we will treat hub and switch as same device. So we will use crossover cable. Third one is rollover or console cable. The color code used here is T568B on one side. The other side is obtained by rollovering this color code. That is, 1 will become 8, 2 will become 7, 3 will become 6 and so on. Uses of rollover or console cable. It is used to connect router or switch through console port. What I mean is, in switch or router there is a port called console. In this console port we are going to insert this console cable and we will configure the configuration of router or switch by this console cable. Now the types of Ethernet cables. There are three types: straight through, crossover, rollover or console cable.